Richie. I think he hit 5 threes in the first half, 5 out of 5 shot. Was hot to end the second quarter, and that was really big for us to get the lead. I think as a team we shot 19 threes. Richie hit 7, but everybody from Francis Escandor, Prince Capital, that's a team effort. But yeah, the shooting was good. I wish we could shoot like this every game.
What about your defense and very important to really get some point in the game? It was not as dominant as the previous games.
Well, our focal point was for our gate downs. We should find a way to stop the import. We saw what he did with his 50-piece performance earlier in the conference. We know how good of a player he is, so we found a way to contain him. Credit to guys like the Chu Daves who started him, gave him a chance. His energy was great. Of course, our import James Dickey was great defensively. We weren't able to stop Jerick Annis. He still had his numbers, but at least we were able to stop the import.
Thank you. Richie, 40 points. Just talk about your shooting tonight. What went right for you?
Yeah, for first and for all, I want to thank God for this blessing of mine, but also for Coach Charles for believing in me. I haven't had a good shooting night from the 3 points since the first game, but yeah, as long as I've been putting in the work, just believe in your shot and believe in yourself. Yeah.
Ninaloko ko siya kasi nasa conference 40% siya. Sabi, totoo ba to? Tapos pag-start ng conference, hindi makashoot. But anyway, Richie knows I trust him. We watched some film, things he has to improve on. But all credit to him, he was really on fire today. Grabe. Career high naman.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Coach, kasi nung natalo kayo last time, you were saying na medyo tayo sa injured players nyo. You felt like you have the chance to win pa rin. Is this a testament na despite absent pa rin sila tayo and limited minutes, you have enough depth to one?
Yeah, I mean, again, give credit to the guys. Everybody we put in and contribute. Like, we started si Chu Daves, diba, today it was good. JL De Los Santos was good. Evan, limited minutes. Si Francis Escandor had 20 points today, so that was big for us. But, again, to me, if I feel I have guys like Richie, JD, Tuffin, as long as that core is there, I still feel we have a chance to win every game, and that's really something we're trying to build as a team. Na sabi lang naman namin, we want to compete and give ourselves a chance to win. Yun lang naman hinihingi namin, and so far so good.
Richie, you were one of the guys who allowed Phoenix to pull away in the first quarter and I had to do well in the first half of the game. And in the second half, was guys like Evan and Francis, but Francis in particular, he had 20 points in today's game. What can you say about his work ethic and just how he stepped up in almost every second half?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we do trust Francis a lot, especially this outside shooting. Sabay kami nan palagi sa shooting after the training, and most of the time also sa training magkasama kami na we talk a lot about how to adjust dun sa mga, like, sa kanya sinasabihan niya ako, and ako din sa kanya sinasabihan ko siya on how to, like, use the screens and all, and to trust his shots also. So shout out to them as well. But yeah, nung okay yung start ko, yun din yung sinabi ko sa kanila na be ready kasi I'm gonna also look for you guys. And yeah, na-shoot nila eh.
Richie, good evening. You seem to be playing very well this conference. Tingin mo, you will repeat yung sistema na nilakad ni Coach Charles sa Phoenix?
Yeah, mas nag-fit din talaga yung system dun sa players na meron kami. And we, again, sobrang thankful ako kasi yung trust and the way si Coach maniwala sa amin and to give us the confidence that we need in order to play at our highest level of basketball. Yun talaga yung feel ko malaking factor para mas mag-work yung system na nirara namin.
Coach, how does it feel beating yung previous conference leader natin na ngayon katayo?
Well, you know, they were 3-0, the leaders season, early start. And kami, we just, every win, we're thankful. I mean, as Richie said, we thank the Lord for every win. We're just trying to rack up some wins kasi goal lang naman namin first and foremost was to try to make a playoff push. We know na nga yung Phoenix franchise, the fans have been hungry for a playoff berth. So we want to try to do something with this group na, you know, maybe makasilat kami sa mga ibang teams, sa mga powerhouse. We know naman we're not a star-studded lineup, but we have guys that are willing to work, you know, guys that are maturing. You know, you can see Richie. I know we're focusing on his scoring, pero ako, I'm happier to see behind the scenes his maturity. His body language is better. He takes a bit of a leadership role. He guides our players. So sa akin, yun ang mga hinahanap ko sa growth and to help players develop to become better persons.
Richie, 2 questions. 8 of your 13 highest outputs in only big happened here in Antipolo. What makes you comfortable playing here? And the second question is, do you remember having scored 40 in any other league or game?
40, baka high school pa po. Yeah, again, yung sa first question, para worth it siguro yung drive, nakakapagod po eh. Like aside, I didn't know, hindi ko alam kung na ganun pala. But yeah, again, I'm just thankful na yun nga, I was able to help the team win. Again, I thank all the coaches and my teammates for the trust and the confidence that they've been giving me. Even towards the end, the ibang teammates ko sinasabi pa na you should need 4, 6, things like that. So, yeah, shout out to everyone and also to the management.
Thank you.